Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. So one of the tools we use at my agency are two columns that Google provides, and a lot of advertisers never implement or use. And those are conversions by conversion time and conversion value by conversion time. And what these are the conversions based on the conversion date rather than the conversions based on the click date. And so if you look at your regular conversion numbers, and we can see the conversions here, we can see the conversion value here. These numbers are based on data-driven attribution. And so if a click occurs on Monday and the conversion occurs on Friday, maybe somebody comes back through like a bookmark or something, the conversion will be accrued back to Monday, not Friday, the day it occurs. However, these columns, the by conversion time columns, will actually show based on the conversion date. So why is this useful? So if you tend to have a delay in conversions, and it can be significant on some accounts, you are always going to be under-reporting what your pacing numbers are in your standard columns. So when I look at this account, for example, I know that this client's looking for an 800% ROAS. And if I look at just the last 7 days, we seem to be doing 637% on this main campaign, which is under our target, right? So I might be concerned and think, oh, well, like maybe we need to raise our target ROAS to kind of kickstart this to get it bidding lower to drive more revenue per sale. But that's not actually the case. If I look at the conversion value by conversion time, I'm at $8,000, which is actually 1,000 ROAS, right, compared to the cost. Not quite 1,000, but 900 something. So that's where this tool can really help you kind of understand what you're pacing towards, and ensure that you don't make decisions based on a small data set that's not been backfilled. Similarly with these reporting metrics, these KPIs, I do recommend including them in your month-end reports. Because if you report as we do, almost immediately following a month end, so we'll actually report a lot of times like on the first of the month for the previous month, and that's great because clients love getting the reports quickly. But one of the issues with it, if you have a long lag between when you get clicks and when you get conversions, you're going to always be under-reporting, and every month it's going to look at, hey, performance has gone down every month. But if you look at the actual by conversion time numbers, the numbers look a lot better and they're going to be a lot closer to reality. So it's just a good idea to include those. And then the other part of that is just having a historical table where you show, like the last 6 or 12 months worth of your conversion numbers. Because then as those numbers get buffed a couple weeks after you submit the report, they're going to be updated in the next one you send or the next one you produce. So this tool, a lot of folks aren't using it, and with data-driven attribution, and particularly like e-coms, when you have long lead times between visits and conversions, very important to include these in terms of monitoring performance, performing optimization, and reporting. So I hope you'll find that this tip is useful, and that is it for today. I will see you next time.